Malnutrition is the most important underlying cause of infant and child mortality in the Congo. Each year, 160,000 children in the Congo die from causes related to malnutrition, and this is only the visible part of the iceberg. Unlike acute malnutrition, which manifests as severe wasting or nutritional edema, chronic malnutrition is devastating over a longer period of time by stunting a child's physical and intellectual growth. Inadequate and insufficient nutrition can lead to chronic malnutrition and is detected in the height-age ratio. Poorly known, chronic malnutrition has a direct impact on the well-being of children, their growth, their cognitive development, and their schooling. Chronic malnutrition leads to irreversible losses in human capital, which contributes to reduced economic productivity. Children who are malnourished during infancy have cognitive impairments and poor academic performance. In the longer term, stunting results in a loss of 10 to 17% of the salary received during working life. Malnutrition is the result of chronic nutritional and sometimes emotional deprivation. Ignorance, poverty, and family difficulties prevent parents from providing the malnourished children with the necessary care and nutrition. Kesho Congo is committed to fight malnutrition through three important pillars: production and distribution of high-protein biscuits and porridge enriched with leaf extract in nutritional centers in South Kivu, nutritional education for mothers, and empowerment of rural women gathered in agricultural cooperatives.
Je suis Madame Basemake Bahaya Immaculée, nutritionniste de formation et de carrière. J'interviens dans l'association Kesho Congo comme nutritionniste dans les différentes activités de la lutte contre la malnutrition. Ici, nous soignons la malnutrition aiguë, modérée et quelques cas sévères, mais aussi nous intervenons dans la lutte contre la malnutrition, dans la prévention, avec des séances d'éducation sanitaire-nutritionnelle. Nous avons ces activités ici. Nous soignons ceux qui sont déjà malades. Et ceux qui ne sont pas encore atteints peuvent être protégés avec les différentes séances. Nous comptons intervenir aussi dans les activités de sécurité alimentaire, la prise en charge des familles et des enfants malnutris, et si les moyens le permettront. Mais jusqu'à présent, vraiment, nous sommes avec les enfants qui ont déjà pris les rations et régulièrement, ils seront là pour prendre les rations qui leur permettront de récupérer leur santé.
Bonjour, je suis Dr Migabo Julien, médecin généraliste de l'Université catholique de Bukavu, avec une formation supplémentaire dans la prise en charge des maladies nutritionnelles dans un hôpital de niveau tertiaire, l'hôpital provincial général de référence de Bukavu. Et maintenant, nous sommes dans un quartier défavorisé de la ville de Bukavu, au sein de la commune de Kadutu. C'est un quartier défavorisé, avec beaucoup de regroupements, environ aussi 6 sous-quartiers. Et maintenant, là, nous sommes là en supervision. Toutes les semaines, nous sommes là, nous faisons des consultations pour des enfants qui sont déjà malnutris, modérément et sévèrement. Nous les consultons et nous faisons la référence dans les hôpitaux généraux de référence, comme l'hôpital provincial de Bukavu, l'hôpital de Mpanzi ou l'hôpital de Chiriri. Nous sommes dans un quartier très populaire et la demande est vraiment forte, vu que c'est un quartier vraiment très défavorisé. Et nous sommes là, au sein du centre nutritionnel, thérapeutique et d'éducation sanitaire de Kesho, organisé par Kesho Congo.
Chapeau au nom de Baganda Meshak. Je suis accueilli dans la maison nutritionnelle Kesho Congo, voir comment les travaux, initiatives ont commencé, comment les enfants sont bien accueillis. Personnellement, nous, quartier Bolo-Kasha, souhaitons une grande prospérité à la maison Kesho Congo de ces belles initiatives nous apporter dans ce quartier Bolo-Kasha. En conclusion, demandons aux bailleurs de fonds extérieurs qui nous prêtent main forte pour que la maison puisse prospérer davantage. Je vous remercie.
Kutoka Nyamira, jina langu ni Nabitu Veneranda. Tunashukuru Kesho Congo kwa kazi aliweza kufanya kwa wale watoto walioharibika mwili. Tunamshukuru maana wale watoto wanaendelea kuwa wazuri kwa kazi alifanya. Alijinyang'anya daktari wetu na kusema ashughulikie wale watoto wenye kuharibika mwili ndani ya karti ya Nyamira. Na ndio maana tunasema asante, aendelee na Mungu amubariki kwa yote aliweza kufanya. Na kila mara tuko naona siku ya 5, siku ya kwanza tunaona wanapatia na watoto wengine bunga kidogo kidogo kwa kuwasaidia kwa kufanya uji ndani ya jamaa zao. Tunashukuru Kesho Congo sana na iendelee na watoto wakomale vizuri, siku moja washukuru Kesho Congo wakati watakomana. Asante.
Since 5 years, Kesho Congo is committed to fight malnutrition in children under 5 in South Kivu, Eastern Democratic Republic of the Congo. We work with 8 nutritional centers. We go there, we distribute biscuits to children. We promote nutritional education for mothers, and we also empower rural women gathered in agricultural cooperatives. Today, it is our joy to launch our own nutritional center, our own center for nutrition and health education. It is our joy because in this center we'll be receiving children coming from all the neighborhoods here. We have 10 neighborhoods where children will be coming from, and we'll be giving them porridge that is very rich in protein, but also biscuits, and also we'll be giving nutritional education to the mothers, but also working on empowering the mothers, because it is very important to empower those women in the families affected by malnutrition. So we have to thank all our friends who support this work. I want to mention all the work of our friends in Syracuse, Randy and all the team at All Saints Parish, Syracuse. Thank you so very much for your support. We need to continue this work. We need to continue to improve the nutritional status of children here in South Kivu. I'd like to remind that according to UNICEF, the rate of chronic malnutrition in South Kivu here was 53% in 2016. Today you can imagine that it is even higher because the conditions are even worse, especially during this global pandemic. I remember that as a very young boy, we used to go on the hill just close to this nutritional center, and I was a shepherd boy, and we went with goats on the hill. And I remember that we used to go at Chiriri. There was a nutritional center launched by a German doctor called Gustav Rau. And that German doctor came from Germany, and he saw that malnutrition was a big issue in South Kivu, and he launched a nutritional center, and I remember that, we used to go there and receive porridge. And I said, when I'll grow up, I'd like to do the same work as Dr. Gustave Rowe. He was a pediatrician, and he came from Germany, and he helped so much all the people here in Bukavu. And today it's my joy to see that the dream is coming true, and I became a doctor, and I began to work in that hospital created by Dr. Gustave Rowe, the German doctor. And today I continue to work there, and it is my joy to launch our own nutritional center. It is my joy to mention the extraordinary work of all the team at Kesho Congo, and the support of our friends in the United States of America. We hope that we'll have support from so many other friends so that this work may continue.